how to install Xampp for Windows 11. So for that purpose, head over to your Google Chrome browser and type in apachefriends.org, which is basically the official website of Xampp, because Xampp project is being hosted by Apache Friends, which is a non-profit project that helps promote this specific application. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on download. Since we're going to install it for Windows 11, you can click here to look up for other version. Let's just quickly click on that, but you can download it for Windows. It's the 8.2.12 version that is available for Mac, Linux, and Windows as well. Once you click up here, then you have to select the bit that you want. This is for Windows 8, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, but we need it for Windows 11 absolutely. So we can just click on more downloads. Right here, we have a list of folders that open up for Xampp Windows. We're going to quickly click on this. And from here, we can see there are multiple different versions available for Windows 8, Windows 7, as well as Windows, the different version basically of Xampp. We're going to look in and download the latest version, which is 8.2.12. So here we can just download the Xampp Windows for 64-bit for 8.2.12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply select the installation package right here. Your download is going to automatically start downloading on its own. Like here's where the installation packet started downloading. You can see once the installation packet is downloaded, it is automatically going to open up and run by the Windows, and then the installation process is going to get completed. You're going to have an option to choose for the language. For Xampp, once it's getting set up, you can get that all done, and basically just like the basic information that accepting the terms and conditions as well.